Gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang. All right, gang. So price is going down now. Gold is going down now. Back down to 0.618, 0.5, and then 38.2, and then eventually 27 extension. Right to 27 extension. Still at take profit 9, as this is take profit 9. Gains take profit 9 right here. Take profit 9. Boom. Take profit 9. Boom. Got take profit 10. But look how long this took, gang. Look how long this took. Look how long this trade took, gang, for price just to get here, to go back in the direction back down as we're trying to sell this back down. After price went to take profit 10, we're trying to sell this back down. Look how long it took. Look how long it took, gang. Like, you have to be extremely patient with this market, gang. Like, anything can happen in this market, gang. You can lose money in this market, gang. A lot of money in this market. And, I just wanted to help you out with this right here. Gold is going down right now. I'm gonna try to set up something where we could do free signals. On YouTube live, y'all can just come in and around these times, it's gonna be around 4:36 a.m. So you gotta be up around these times, and I'll go live, and I'll give y'all free signals, gang, on what price is doing, to help you trade, to help you make money in this market. Extremely important. Um, just for your psychology, anything I can do to help, gang. Trading isn't easy. It's easier said than done. It comes with a lot of hard work. This took how many hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours, gang, before price went back down in the direction. As price we sell from the high, price made a lower low. February 17th, February 18th. It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours from February 17th to February 18th for price to go back down. Once price went to 0.618 or Fibonacci level, it retraced it. It took 8 hours just to get back up to 0.786 retracement, as it will retrace back to 0.786 before going back down to 0.618, 0.5, 0.382, and then eventually 27 extension. As I back out a little bit, eventually 27 extension. Eventually 27 extension. Take profit 7. Price should go all the way down to take profit 7. It took forever, gang. You could have got stopped out so many times right here. You could have lost money. The broker would have took your money out your account, and you'd have lost all your money. Like, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours just for price to go back down, gang. So I know how trading can be. Check on the 4-hour. You know what I'm saying? Check on the 4-hour. You can see 27 extensions at take profit 7. Prices at take profit 9 as we speak. Prices at take profit 9 as we speak. But look how long it took, gang, for price to get back down. To go back down. As we go back to the 1 hour. It took literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours just for price to go back down. It's going back down now. So this comes with a lot of hard work. You have to wait, as this took 8 hours just to retrace back up to 0.786 before going back down to 0.618, 0.5, 0.382, 0, and then 27 extension. Extremely important. As we're going to be going over psychology, more psychology videos, for your psychology, because when you're in trading, you're actually in a live account, a lot of factors actually come up. Stress can often lead to bad trading decisions. A lot of stress comes up when it comes to trading, and you can make bad trading decisions. A lot of things come up. This is why we have to have proper risk management. we can't risk too much money until we actually know the direction that price is going in. But price is going it's in a downtrend now, gang. And we're price is going down, gold is going down for the day. But it just took forever, and you don't have proper risk management and your psychology isn't right. If you didn't know that price was after price made a low to 0.618, if you didn't know price was going to make a high back to 0.786 and it was going to take about 7-8 hours, you would have got stopped out plenty of times. If price went all the way down to 1889, all the way back up to 1895, and depending on your lot size, how much money you had in your account, price would have stopped you out. Gold would have stopped you out. Stress comes up when it comes to trading. And you have to stay positive and keep a positive attitude. As you know, focusing on the positives tends to have positive results. So focusing on positivity and being positive, you tend to have positive results when it comes to trading. You have to be confident. No matter what what negative outlooks are, or your attitudes or whatever happens in life, you have to remain positive and focus on being positive. Positive results will happen when it comes to trading. We have to have a trading plan. It took forever. It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours for price to get back all the way back up to all the way back up here, all the way back up to 0.618. And now price is, is continuing back down. Made a lower low, and it made a lower high. It took 7-8 hours to make a lower high. And now price is, continuing back down. 27 extension. But yeah, gang, we have to have positive thinking and being able to trade with a plan. We have to have a plan. So gang, we have to have a trading plan, gang, before we even enter this market. As you see, it took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 hours from February 17th to February 18th to finally break this trend line. You see this trend line we drew this trend line from 0.618 all the way to 0.78650 Fibonacci level, from 0.618 all the way to 0.786. We have our trend line. Once price breaks this trend line, boom, now we can get in. Once price breaks this trend line, you can see price was in a uptrend from February 17th all the way up to now, all the way up to February 18th. We've been in an uptrend, trend line, candlesticks above this trend line, and it's finally breaking this trend line, and now we're in a downtrend, and we're going back down to 0.618. But we have to have a strategy, gang, and think properly before we just even get in this trade. We have to think. We just can't get in this trade without thinking, or you will lose money. If you're not thinking, and you just get in this trade without thinking, you're going to lose money. And we have to have a well-tested trading strategy. This is a well-tested trading strategy. We have our Fibonacci. Price. Once price made this lower low, February 17th to 0.618. We knew price would have to what? Will have to retest back up to 0.786, making what? A lower low, then making a lower high before making a lower low. So give us some type of candlestick pattern, yellow candlestick, star, black candlestick. It gave us an even star pattern, letting us know that we're in a downtrend. So I'm going to be dropping a lot of videos, for our psychology, going later on today. And I'll keep y'all updated, gang, on what the market is doing. But gold is going down now. I just wanted to update that. Update y'all with that one, gang. Gold is going down now, so extremely important that we go over psychology. We're gonna go over psychology. We have to analyze the market. We have to come up with a trading strategy before we get in this market. Or we will, or this trades can go against us and we can lose real money. This is a real market. You can lose millions in this market. Game, so we'll go over this later on today, and I'll drop a lot of more psychology videos for you, gang. All right, so I hope these videos help, gang, and I'll keep you updated on what gold is doing. But gold is going down. All right, gang.